Hi friends, welcome to Paint and Talk. Happy Dusserah to all of you. Friends, I am drawing the picture by looking at this Durga Mata idol which is in my puja room. Friends, I am experimenting. It is the first time drawing the picture by looking at the object. Until now I draw the pictures mm, by copying from any book or from any magazines. This is the first time drawing the picture by observing the shapes of an object directly. For the face of the Durga Mata, I am drawing a circle, then I divide it into two parts. Now I am drawing eyes. For this I draw true lines and I am trying to shape that eyes, then nose and then lips. Let us see how it will be turned out. Before that, let us enjoy the process, which is the main purpose behind my every artwork which I am sharing with you. In this picture, I am trying to draw symmetrically. Friends, we have to practice a lot of pictures on symmetry in the upcoming videos. It is very useful to our drawing to improve our drawing skills, and also while practicing that pictures on symmetry, we will get more fun. While drawing this picture, let us talk about Vijayadashmi. Vijayadashmi, also known as Dusserah, it is a major Hindu festival celebrated at the end of Navaratri every year. Vijayadashmi is a composite of two words, Vijaya and Dashami, respectively mean victory and 10th, connoting the festival on the 10th day, celebrating the victory of good over evil. We all know about that Ramayana. In Ramayana, Ravana kidnapped Sita. Rama requested Ravana to release her, but Ravana refused. The situation escalated and led to the war. After performing severe penance for 10,000 years, Ravana received a boon from the creator god Brahma. He could henceforth not be killed by gods, demons, or spirits. He is portrayed as a powerful demon king who disturbs the penances of rishis. Lord Vishnu incarnates as the human Rama to defeat and kill him, thus circumventing the boon given by Lord Brahma. A deadly and fearful battle takes place between Rama and Ravana, in which Rama kills Ravana and ends the evil rule. Ravana has 10 heads, the killing of the one. After drawing the basic shapes, now I am modifying the shapes of the picture. Friends, while drawing this picture, I want to ask one question to you, that is, mistakes or happy accidents? I love this statement. Do you know who is the great artist using this sentence while he is making his art? Do you know? If you know that artist name, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be glad to hear from you.